everybody, it's Danica on the coast. I am coming to you from Waterscape today. I want to show you around one of my condos. You can find me on the web at rentwaterscape.com. I hope to see you soon. Let's go have a look. I'm here today to show you this condo, C504. This is one of the condos in the C building. I love the C building. I want to show you why. Right here is where you park. So the C building is the only building in Waterscape where you can literally park at your front door. So we are literally that close to the parking lot. And here we go back to the unit. Come on inside. When you enter this condo, the first thing that you come to is our bunk room. So we have two twin beds here for the kids. And right here, we have our front load washer and dryer. And this closet is our air conditioner and dehumidifier, so there's nothing in there that would interest you. This is our guest bedroom. This is a queen size bed, and it does have a door into the bathroom that I'm about to show you, so you can go straight in. We have a TV here, and we have a light blocking shade so that you can sleep soundly at night, because there is some light in the corridor. And one of the first, well, actually the first condo that I ever bought at Waterscape was in the C building, and I noticed immediately that we needed to get that light out of the bedrooms. This is our bathroom. So this bathroom has a walk-in shower and a single vanity. And then you come to our kitchen. So we just remodeled this kitchen. We cut the bar down, got new quartz, new cabinets. We have a new fridge. This is just turned out spectacular. We put in a new backsplash. The kitchen is marvelous. But not only does it look pretty, it is very functional. I have everything that you need in this kitchen for you to be comfortable and cook for your family and friends. We have a coffee pot and a Keurig. We have a crock pot, a blender, a rice cooker. We have all the pots and pans that you need. We have a toaster. We have mixing bowls. We have a waffle maker. Really, my goal is for my condos to feel like home. So when you come here, you will feel at home as well. Under here, we have all the pots and pans that you need. We have Teflon skillets, and I do try to keep those in good condition. They get a little scratch every once in a while, but they should be in very good condition for you to use. I have lots of spatulas and kitchen gadgets. I hate going into a kitchen where there's not enough things for me to really cook comfortably. This is just an extra drawer for you. We have a little Tupperware. We have plastic and glass dishes. The reason that we have plastic dishes is because you may want to grill out by the pool with your family or friends, and you can't have glass on the pool deck. So you can just take our plastic dishes down there and have dinner right at the pool. We have coffee cups and wine glasses. I guess that's about everything. Pot holders here. All the things that you would expect to see in a kitchen. Cutting boards. A few little spices. We do have 3 bar stools up under the counter, so that if you want to hang out right here at the bar while you're cooking, you can do that. And then, of course, this is our dining area. Seats 6 people around the table. The occupancy of this unit is 6, so everybody can dine together. Next, I want to show you the master bedroom. This is a king-size bed. It has a marvelous view. So one of the features of the C building is that you have a straight-on beach view, and it does overlook all of the beautiful greenery in the resort. The A and B buildings down the side are slanted, and while they are a little closer to the beach, you see a lot of building on the other side. So one thing that I love, as I mentioned, is just having that straight-on view. When you stand at the kitchen sink, you really don't see either side of the building. You just see the water. So it's just fantastic. The kitchens, also I want to mention, the kitchens in the C units are a lot larger than the other 2-bedroom units. So being in the back in these particular units does have some advantages. I want to mention also, we have in the closet, which is in the bathroom, we have 2 chairs and an umbrella for you. That is so that you can add chairs to the beach service without having to rent more beach service. So the beach service is 2 chairs and an umbrella set up for you on the beach every day. You just go down there and tell them your unit number, and they will get you a nice little set for you to sit. And then you can haul the other 2 chairs down there, so you have a total of 4 at no extra charge. We also include kayaking and paddleboarding for an hour every day of your stay. So again, you just tell the beach attendants your unit number, and they will see that I've already paid for that for you, and you get to kayak and paddleboard. We see dolphins out there. You can see fish. Occasionally, you might see a sea turtle. You'd be very lucky if you did, but they are out there as well. So get out there and explore, look for some wildlife, and have a great time. This is our master bath. We have 2 vanities and a walk-in shower and a really nice sized garden tub. And I also want to mention we have a pack and play and a high chair in our closet. So if you have infants, we are ready for them as well. And a lot of people ask about putting the pack and play, in the bathroom, and it definitely fits. So if you had that question, now I have answered it for you. This is our living room area. So we do have a pull-out sofa here, but this unit, I cap the capacity at 6. I can upgrade you to 8 for a small additional fee, but I have the price in this unit reduced a little bit because I do have a lower occupancy. So we just bump you up to the same price as the condos that sleep 8. I'm ready to show you this beautiful view. Come on outside. Well, maybe if I unlock it, it would work better. Welcome to paradise. The view is just amazing. We get morning and afternoon sun on these patios in the back, so that is also another perk of being in this location. We are overlooking the lawn below. This is our slow season right now while we're filming, but during the summer you would see some kids running around. Maybe they're playing football or soccer on the lawn. We are overlooking the baby pool here, and normally there would be waterfalls turned on, and you would hear those waterfalls from the patio. It's very soothing, and just the view is just absolutely stunning from this unit. We have a Pollywood set here that seats 4, so if you want to come out and enjoy your morning coffee or maybe some breakfast on the patio, this is a great place to do it. We also have 2 loungers for you, and we have a deck box that's full of toys. We also have a little red wagon. I currently have it in the owner's closet. I apologize for that because we are in snowbird season and the snowbirds wanted the wagon out of their way, but we do have a little red wagon. It's an all-terrain wagon, so it goes right over the sand. You can throw all of your things in there or the extra chairs and umbrella that I have for you in the closet and haul your things to the beach. We are about 100 yards, about the size of a football field from the beach. It's a beautiful walk. You just shoot down the elevator, which is right outside the door, and then go down the sidewalk of the building. You can also go around the outside of the building and over the lazy river, and boom, there you are. Our pool deck is loaded with amenities. We have the splash pad with the water slide. Just beyond that is our heated pool. We have an elevated pool deck that you can lounge about. Then we have our main 0 entry pool with the lily pad course. We have a tiki hut, 2 hot tubs. Beyond that is our lazy river, and then you make it to the beach. I also want to point out we have, as I mentioned when we were in the kitchen, we have grills all around the pools, and you can see down here we have some picnic tables with the umbrellas, and all of our grills aren't out right now because it's the winter time, but we have grills located all around this pool, the lazy river, and the main pool downstairs, so you can just take your family out and just enjoy the night right here on the Waterscape property. We really have everything that you need here. Our tiki hut also serves late breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You can buy drinks there, and we have a ton of activities going on. You can find those on my website. I think I've rambled on long enough, so I just want to remind you, I'm Danica on the Coast. My website is rentwaterscape.com. I hope to see you soon.